Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have 3 new dolls from Amazon. These are from Jizhi brand. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them. Achoo!
Look at it. She's so happy. I could pop her in the head. Look at it. She's still smiling. Like, do it again, do it again.
Take a look at doll number 1. And it says on the box it's reborn doll happy day. Ages 3 and up. Go ahead and open it up. Oh, look at her. She's very cute. I like her. I like her little dress. It's adorable. So she's all tied in there very nicely. She comes with a bag of accessories which have like a hairbrush, a rattle, fork and a spoon, and a plate. But I wouldn't use that hairbrush on her hair because it is plastic. Probably want to use a soft bristled baby brush instead. Oh, she actually has some weight to her. So she comes with a bottle and then the pacifier. I wish that the pacifier would match her outfit though. It's pink, so it really doesn't match what she's wearing. But she has 2 little bows that you can put in her hair, a birth certificate, and instructions on how to take care of her. So what's cool about this doll is that her legs are posable, so you could place her in a sitting position or you can lay her down. Her arms, they're not really posable, but that's okay. And then we'll take this off of her head.
Oh my God, she's got a net head.
Yeah, so her hair.
She's been watching Netflix.
It's very pretty though. It's actually, the rooting of these Jizhi dolls is fantastic. Like her hair actually looks very full. Like she doesn't really have any bald spots at all. So they do a fantastic job on that. So we could go ahead and put these little barrettes in her hair.
Oh no, man, you got to pick that out more. We got to go with what's that artist?
Afro?
The artist name, the painter, the redheaded dude.
Carrot Top?
No, that's a comedian, fool.
Oh, Picasso?
No.
Da Vinci?
Okay, you're too young.
I don't know.
I can't remember his name.
Alright, well I put that in the wrong way. So we'll go ahead and put these in her hair. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. So she comes with, they're like the alligator clip barrettes, if you're wondering. But look, she comes with 2, so you can put one on each side of her hair. And she's so cute. We'll go ahead and we'll pop up her hair a little bit, because it is kind of flat from being in that hairnet in that box. So give her a little bit of fluff and get her looking pretty. There we go. So now she looks very beautiful. Her barrettes are not really straight though. I gotta fix it. Well, that's a little bit better. So now she has her barrettes in. Her limbs, they actually feel like they do have polyfill in them, so they're not hollow, which is good. Her head is still hollow though, but her limbs are actually, they are filled. And she's got some nice blushing on her knees and her feet and her hands. A little bit on her forehead.
What's
her
up?
Cheeks.
Okay, and sorry
Like
for the
that.
interruption because we had a water leak and they're fixing the pipes and painting, and well, they fixed the pipes but the painters are here and patching it up, so that's why you can hear my daughter saying, "Daddy, the dudes are knocking," because we're upstairs.
Alright, so we're gonna check her weight.
1.9, 1.8.
1.8. So she's 1 pound 8 ounce. So that's a pretty good weight. Like I said, she does have some weight to her, but just not too much, you know. But it's a good decent weight where she feels like she's nicely weighted.
She's COVID fat like me.
But I do like her face. I love her facial expression. It's very cute. And I like that you could pose her to sit.
All right, well,
so we'll move on.
We're gonna move on
because
we got construction people downstairs, so we gotta.
And we got
move.
2 others to go. All right, so doll number 2. This is also by Jizhi. And I'll put all these, the dolls' links in the video description. This one also comes with a bottle and a magnetic pacifier. And she is actually the same sculpt as that one. She's just white. And the other one's an ethnic baby.
Multicultural.
Multicultural, yeah.
African American.
Yep. So this one also, her legs are posable. I like her mint green outfit. It's very pretty. She comes with her accessories and her birth certificate. And like I said, a bottle and a magnetic pacifier. I love the color of her hair. Her hair is very beautiful. It's like it's almost like an auburn, like a reddish brown. It's very beautiful. And it's very nicely rooted. She's got some curls. I'll turn her around so you can see the back of her hair. And I'll try to fix the front of her. But I love her face. That expression is just so cute. And her eyes. Her eyes are very beautiful. She's got nice coloring all over her face. She's got really nice blushing. Same thing, you can feel she has some polyfilled, probably not as much as that one in her arms and legs, but she does. She also has a cloth body just like this one.
What are you saying? That is the same sculpt? What do you mean?
Look at, they're the same sculpt.
The white one looks different.
No, they're the same sculpt. They're the same exact sculpt, but this one is African American, this one's white.
Okay.
Yeah, they are. But, and you can tell by, look at their feet. Their feet are identical in their hands.
Yeah, but I guess.
This one, her arms move. The other one, her arms didn't move, but this one has posable arms. So if you want to put her arms up, she looks like a tiger. Rawr, I'm gonna get you. But
she's
I do.
Like, bitch, put my arms down. The fuck.
But this one, her arms can pose too. I do like that. But I love how her hair is rooted. Her hair is very soft. But we'll go ahead. We'll check this one's weight.
Arms up. You're choking.
And we'll turn it on before we lay her down. All right. There we go. 1 pound 6 ounces. Is that what it says?
Yep, 1.6.
All right. So she's just a little bit lighter than the other one. But again, they both have cloth bodies. They both have vinyl heads and limbs. The vinyl is very soft on both of them. And then we have our last doll. And this one is a cute little baby smiling girl. Oh, she's sleeping. She's got her eyes closed. She's really cute. So she also comes with a bag of accessories, the bottle and the pacifier, and her birth certificate and instructions. And this one, she actually feels kind of...
Looks like you're going to sneeze.
I know, she does. She's a good sneezing baby. Achoo!
Look at it. She's so happy. I could pop her in the head. Look at it. She's still smiling. Like, do it again. Do it again.
She's happy no matter what you do to her. She is so cute. I love her face. And I remember in one of the doll groups on Facebook, they were asking if this doll would make a good boy. Yes, I think you could have it as a boy or a girl. It's just a matter of changing the clothes. But even like this, like if you were to take off the bows,
it looks more like a boy. It
kind of looks like a boy. Yeah.
I think they got that wrong.
The
They should have
bows
just dressed him as a boy.
Yeah, he would make a really. I mean, she would make a really.
She doesn't even look like a girl. I don't. Y'all may beg to differ, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is straight up. It should have been a boy from the get go.
Yeah. So she comes.
He looks
with
like Spanky from Little Rascals.
She comes with a hat and a headband. So that's the first time I've seen that. So you could either put the hat on. Oh, you know what? She does look like Spanky. Well, maybe we can name her Spanky.
That's why I spanked her and she's still laughing. Smack
so
that
you can
ass.
put the hat on.
Look at even her freaking hair, man. That's a dude, straight up dude.
I guess her name's gonna be Spanky, but maybe we'll change.
You need to put him in boys' clothes and leave him.
Into a boy, yeah.
You need to stop already. But we're not even going with a girl. This doesn't work.
Yeah.
They got this
I totally see a boy in this doll. Oh. So that is as a girl, but to me now I'm seeing boy all over. Definitely a boy. So we'll go ahead, we'll check his weight or her weight. And actually, you know what? If you take these off of the feet, these little bows.
It's like a visual
Yeah.
deception.
If you take these off and then put the hat on, it could actually be a boy. Because then
You don't even need the hat.
you put a hat on him. There. There, now it's a boy. My name is Spanky. Do you want to play? Alright, so we'll check Spanky's weight. I can't see it.
110.
1 pound, 10 ounces. So he's actually heavier than
Just like a Spanky.
the girls.
Little chunky monks.
Yeah, he's got a good amount of stuffing in his body. So his limbs are also the soft vinyl. His
He's
head
a He-Man woman hater.
and his body's all cloth. And he feels heavier than the girls. But yeah, I think I'll keep him as a boy. If you just take off the headband and the shoes, he makes a perfect boy. I've also forgot to mention that Spanky, his legs are poseable, but you have to work with them a little bit. His arms really don't pose. Again, this girl is fully poseable. Her arms and her legs. This one, her head and her legs move. But I really do like all three of them. I think she's my favorite out of all three of these. I really like this one. But you tell me which one is
Spanky,
your
wake up.
favorite. I think Brian likes Spanky. He has a soft spot in his heart for Spanky. I think that's going to be his buddy. So you tell me which one's your favorite, and thanks so much for watching. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye. Don't forget to spank me.
That's the He-Man woman hater club. That's his club there. Knock your ass down.